Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. In the current age of digital commerce, the adoption of digital payment technologies has exploded and will continue to grow. According to a recent report, the global remittance market were at the 19.65 billion in 2022, and it could rise to 72.44 billion by 2031. This equates to a compounded annual growth rate of 15.6% for the period from 2024 through 2031. And this is significant and will provide opportunities to many companies. Before the emergence of internet and digital transaction, actually dating back to 1871, Western Union Co., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol WU, was providing money transfer services to individuals and businesses globally. Today, the company is trying to adopt to extremely competitive money transfer business. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, Western Union operates in more than 200 countries and territories. Its services are used by millions of retail and digital customers daily through its online platform and its hundreds of thousands of agents locations scattered globally. And while the company has work to do, the market appears to be favorable towards Western Union, pushing its stock price up by a market-beating 11.8% this year and 25.2% of the last year. At least that's of this recording. That also means Western Union stock has been outperforming the S&P 500. The stock traded at a 52-week high of $14.19 per share on March 8th, but remains well below its record high of $28.45 per share in February 2020. Now, for technical traders, Western Union Co. is trading in a golden cross pattern. That's a bullish technical crossover formation that appears when a stock's 50-day moving average goes above its 200-day moving average. This could signal additional upside moves by Western Union stock.
Talk numbers here. How is Western Union doing financially?
Well, Western Union has clearly been negatively impacted by the rise of much bigger digital payment companies. The company's revenues declined in 2022 and 2023 to the lowest levels in 10 years. Now, the outlook for the company's revenue is mixed too. Analysts estimate that Western Union will report lower revenues of $4.14 billion for 2024, followed by a small rebound in 2025 to $4.18 billion. So the company will need to look at strategies to address its lack of revenue growth. Now, as far as its bottom line goes, Western Union has been consistently profitable, but will need to improve its consistency. Analysts expect Western Union to report an adjusted $1.70 per diluted share in 2024 and $1.78 per diluted share in 2025.
And what's happening with dividends here?
Well, Western Union has consistently generated positive free cash flow. This included a 38.3% increase in 2023. This is important because the company uses free cash flow to pay dividends, buy back its own shares, and reduce its debt. Now, Western Union has paid a dividend for 19 consecutive years, but it hasn't actually raised it since March 2021. But before that, the company had raised its dividends for 7 straight years. Now, it currently pays a quarterly dividend of 0.235 cents per share or 94 cents per share on an annual basis, and that works out to a forward yield of 7.01%. And that's above its 5-year average yield of 5.57%. And the company's payout ratio of 55.9% is reasonable.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Western Union Co. is a work in progress, but the company generates profit and positive free cash flow, which allows it to pay distributions. With Western Union stock, investors collected nice dividends while achieving some capital appreciation. Note that WU stock has a strong institutional ownership with 664 institutions holding 96.3% of its outstanding shares. The top 2 institutions are the Vanguard Group Inc. with 12.01% stake and BlackRock with 10.75% stake. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income ideas soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.